What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know I sure am. Today, I'm going to take you on an absolute luxury fifth wheel by DRV Mobile Suites. This is the 2024 Mobile Suite Houston. And I'll tell you what, if you are a traveling couple who's looking for a full-time RV or just traveling in luxury because you got it like that, this one is absolutely fantastic. Big old kitchen island, a place with a desk, beautiful bedroom, but a massive living room for that downtime. Absolutely fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like and subscribe button. All of the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with a link for that pricing. But man, you know, right off the bat, if you guys are not familiar with mobile suites, or if you guys haven't seen my previous videos on them, they have the industry's thickest sidewalls, 3¼ inch. So that's going to be added insulation, really great for sound deadening, keep you warmer in the winter and cooler in the spring. They're also going to have 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, which are going to be on a 5-degree tilt. And I know that sounds a little bit different because nobody's really doing it, but it basically just means that this is angled at an extra 5 degrees for a wider stance for added stability. But man, I'll tell you, this thing is suitable for full-time living, and it's fantastic all the way around. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, and you know, we'll go from there. They definitely pay attention to your guys' input, that is for sure. 2024 DRV Mobile Suite Houston. It's also going to have a bath and a half, and if you're not a fan of the darker tones, I personally love them. You can fully customize, you know, that color. So you can go, you know, light and bright if you would like to. You can change up, you know, if you like the flooring a little bit lighter than it is now, you can do that. There's a lot of good stuff that you can do with mobile suites. Their reps are always on point. They're extremely knowledgeable, and I think that you'll find they're very easy, you know, to work with. But dual opposing slides, and I mean, look at the size of these slides. Absolute behemoths. So what you're going to get is a little bit of a heavier unit, but just a ton of room, not only, you know, for the flooring, but the ceiling height is incredible. You know, I am 6 feet tall, and, you know, reaching up, I mean, my hand is like, just if you took off my fingers, that is where I would be reaching. So that is just really nice head height. So what you're going to get is a really nice, warm, and kind of open feeling in here. So this slide is going to have, you know, your residential appliances. So you got this big old refrigerator, the industry's largest oven, the Insignia. You also get the residential microwave, TV, fireplace, stay nice and warm, a massive island, so that way you can do, you know, all the cooking that you want. And then right over here is going to be your seating slide. So you got table for 2 that it can expand out for 4. You also have a desk, and then you also get theater seating with a center port that you can drop down. But I mean, look at the overhead storage. It's going to be a true walnut here in this. They are moving to a hickory, but you get walnut here in this model here for now. But you're going to have the frameless windows, and they're all going to be the safety tinted glass as well. So if something is to happen, it would spider out, not shatter. So that's nice, you know, for rock or, you know, baseball or whatever. But you got the power theater seating right here, the flip down with a couple cup holders, along with a little, a little power tower. So you got outlets and USBs, but it's also directly across from your TV and that fireplace. So a really cozy feeling with that accent lighting, just looking really nice. That fireplace puts out about 4,700 BTUs of heat, so it'll heat up the entirety of this massive living room. Absolutely no problem. And I mean, look at that island. Even though it is huge, it is nowhere even close to getting into the point where it's intruding in on your kind of your living room feel. You know, there's great separation in this because this is a larger camper. So back here in the back, you see you got yourself a little sofa action going on. And this is going to be the easy pull for the bed. I just had to check that because I'm not familiar with that look on it. But that's going to pull up to right about here, provide a queen bed for you. You also have counters on both sides to drop your books, your charging, you know, for your cell phone is going to be right here, along with great viewing windows, all of which that open up for a breeze. You can also see, one, it shows off that wood. I mean, just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All handmade cabinetry here in Howe, Indiana, where these things are all built. Pretty darn cool to watch them work, that's for sure. Big old, you know, storage here up top. But you're also going to notice no exposed ACs because it's all going to be on that whisper quiet system. So it's going down all the way through just on that track, and you're never going to see that. So again, makes it really clean and crisp. high-end luxury feel. Over here, obviously, we're back to the fireplace. You have storage both left and right. And then what's kind of cool about this is not only do you get a smart TV, the Insignia, but look at all the storage that you get, up and around. So you get plenty of place to put your stuff, and it is very deep. It's also got the soft close. By the way, that was your DVD and your control for your audio. But then behind the TV, if you want a little bit of hidden storage, you just simply click up right there, and with one hand, bada bing, bada boom, you got a great place. My wife would probably turn that, into like a little mini library if, one day we were to get something on this. The mobile suite is definitely on my personal short list. Once we get the kids out and have infinite amount of wealth and money, that's the way that hopefully life goes for us. But I mean, again, look at that. Look how much space you got. So I definitely don't want to ignore this. I went through fast on the breakthrough, but this desk is one of the coolest things on this camper. It is simple, but I absolutely love it. You got a pull-out drawer, but I do a lot of, video editing, and now that I'm traveling around a lot more, getting these videos done, I could imagine going from, location to location, setting it up right here, editing, doing my thing. You also got a place where you can put, all your little knickknacks and whatnot, with more overhead storage as well. So I just think it's a really cool setup, and you don't really ever get this, in fifth wheels, especially not in an open kind of airy, view where you can like hang out. So I think that's pretty darn neat. Storage down underneath here for this, but I did want to show this table here real quick. So you unclip that side. Let me see if this side's got one. Nope. Okay. Oh, shoot. It's tucked in right there. It's in travel mode. But anyway, this pulls out. It's going to come to right here, and it's going to have table for 4. Now, back over to the oven, you're going to have the 4 stovetop burner, the Insignia. So you got all the room to whip up all the fixings. You also got a big old oven, where you can pack away, a turkey and get cooking. You're going to get 4 pull-out drawers next to the oven. So you're going to have this one, that one, and then the bottom 2 right there are going to be at twice the depth. And again, you do get the soft close, which is nice. You're also going to notice you get a true solid surface countertop, and the design goes all the way through, which is nice. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. And then a hand-laid tile for the backing there as well. The Insignia microwave. This is also going to be a convection microwave too. So, maybe if you got the main course meal down here, the turkey, maybe you got some cupcakes or something going on, over there. Look at this. This is pretty cool too. I love that. When they showed me that, I was like, what? Pretty nice. This makes it easier, smart storage. That's what it's all about. And you got another set, just the same, right below here, too. Now, if your family is anything like mine, we love playing games. We love hanging out. We like setting up a good old game of apple juice pong, and this island is absolutely perfect for it. So you got space on either side of the stainless steel under-mounted bowl. You're also going to notice that you get a dishwasher with a pull-out drawer underneath. But even the stainless steel under-mounted bowl is going to be a little bit more residential with this kind of cornering right there. High-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. And then, look at that. You got your racks, you got your plumbing, you got everything that you need. You're in business. Pull-out garbage can right there. Fantastic fan up on the ceiling. And then this is going to be your half bath here as well. So not absolutely massive in here, but it's enough room, to kind of get the job done. I'm not exactly the skinniest of fellas, but sitting down here, you can see, it's really no problem. On the left side, it get kind of a little bit crunched, but still, I mean, I can use this absolutely with zero issues. So flip it back around right here. More residential camper gets more residential features, and I like how it's also got a shelf right there. So you got the aluminum there, and then most campers are also going to be aluminum frame. This is going to be a steel frame. And I'll show you that here on the exterior. Perfect little mirror to show off bowling guns, baby. Porcelain sink. Bada bing, bada boom. Your control panel is going to be not right there. That's going to be where you hang up your coats. Maybe put a little dog leash or something. But your control panel is going to be, right here. So you got all your slide controls. Your 3 ACs, they're all going to be 15K. Again, whisper quiet. You got your Cummins Onan generator. So to start that, you're going to prime it 5 seconds down, 1 second up, get that thing kicking. And then I also like how they're not using the control panel like the touch panel a lot of people are doing. Those are prone to some issues. And, this isn't going to have it because obviously it's all, all pretty much manual, just a light switch. You also got your different tank heaters, and, whatnot right there too as well. Suburban on-demand hot water heater, 60,000 BTUs. Pretty darn common these days, but nonetheless, it's still the higher end. I also like this bedroom because of all the walk-through space that you're going to get. So over here, you're going to have your dresser with 6 pull-out drawers, a TV, and an emergency exit. Oh, man, just look at that. So sharp. And this is also a good time to check. I mean, look at this soft. Pretty darn cool. I like that a lot. That is just a high-end luxury feel. Pinkies up. You're feeling good about life inside of a mobile suites. East to west slide bed. You're also going to notice you get storage both left, right, and underneath. But you also get some overhead storage and windows that open up on both sides, along with outlets and little cubbies and an area for, a CPAP machine. Heading into the bathroom, you got the sliding door, which I always appreciate. And then you got a massive closet here up front too. But you're going to get the dual vanity with a ton of pull-out drawers in the middle. You're going to get 3 of those. Accent lighting. Both sides are also going to come equipped with a little shelf and access to your plumbing. Look at that. Looking pretty darn cool. You got your toothbrushes, whatever the wife brings. Bada bing, bada boom. Another porcelain throne Aruski. I don't even need to sit on that one. You can tell you got enough space. One-piece fiberglass for the shower, the Tri-Glide glass series, so it opens up a little bit wider, but you're going to have, room for 2 if you're getting a little crazy down at the campground. You certainly got room for, one big guy. But I mean, look at that. I'm also 6 feet tall. You're looking at probably about 6, it's hard to see that, about 6'5" up into here. And you even got, that right there. Now, if you guys have made it this far, if you don't mind, type a comment, say hello, or, possibly even like and subscribe if you like me enough. That's about 1 arm deep right there. But look at this closet. So I got my side right here, the top shelf, and then look at all this room that my wife gets. Absolutely fantastic. And then right over here, I even get the dresser top, and then she's going to get 4 dresser drawers. So that is pretty darn nice. That's almost a replica of how, our closet is. But I think that about wraps it up here for the inside portion of this tour. Again, this is the 2024 DRV Mobile Suite Houston. Now we're going to head around the outside, show you what's up, and then I'm going to get heading on over to the old Brinkley location, doing their new travel trailer. Got a lot of good things going on. Life is going pretty darn good. Okay, so all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in that description along with that link for the pricing. They are going to have a bunch of different coloring options here for the exterior. So I'm going to put a link for the manufacturer as well down in the description. But I believe it's 5 different paint colors you can get. You're also going to see you got metal wrapped awnings, which is a big time plus, going to help out with longevity. You don't have to worry about them getting beat up if there's ever hail or just the sun, hitting down on it. You're also going to get a generator up front with access to all your hydraulics over there on that right side. And again, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling with a 5-degree tilt. You're also going to notice here on the front, you get the MORryde pin box, which is going to help out with that chucking and bucking, while you're driving down the road. You also get a really clean, crisp. I mean, this makes a definite impression. Look at that. Absolutely the best front cap in the game. You also get the lighting that goes down, both left and right. Frameless windows. You also get the MORryde tray here. And pardon all my stuff, but I mean, look at that. That is pretty darn nice. You're also going to get access to a lot of your maintenance items right back here. And then on the other side, well, I'll show you that on the other side. There's a water manifold system, and it's going to be copper in the mobile suite. So basically, like if the sink, for some reason is throwing you fits on the cold water side or whatever, you can just flip that one portion out so a headache or a hiccup doesn't turn into a headache, which is always pretty nice. The kind of stairs that flip up into the doorway. You're also going to get 3-axle with Cooper H-rated tires. And I think on this one, let's see. I'm not sure which suspension they ordered this one with, but looks like it might be the disc. Well, we'll see. So right here, you got your spare tire. You're also going to have a hitch, and you get access to the top of your fully walkable roof right there at that Lippert on-the-go ladder system. Here's going to be your 4-way flat. Nope. That's a 7-way. Pretty cool. Okay. You get a power cord reel right in there just to help you so you don't have to lug around this heavy cord. There's that slide topper, really just helps prevent debris from falling off. And then right down here is going to be your sewer outlet connection. Along with a couple other storage is going to be the back end of that Furrion, or back end of the Suburban 60K hot water heater. And then, let me open up this. So right here, so this is going to be that water manifold system. It's all going to be copper, and things like the, like the Riverstone, it's actually going to be a plastic material. But this is what I was talking about. So you can shut off everything, like the hot shower. If that hot water's not working, boom, flip that off and you're good to go. So again, you don't have to ruin a whole trip. This tray will also pull out this way too as well. Propane behind that door. Over in here, you're going to have 4 batteries and then your hydraulic connections. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope to catch you next time. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2024 DRV Mobile Suite Houston. Have a great day. See you. Meow, 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 meow.